The greatest sandwich to come out of England would have to be the bacon butty. Now, this is not really a recipe, but it's about bringing together 4 key ingredients to make the ultimate breakfast. Now, first it comes to the bacon. Now, I'm using a pan-sized bacon. I love this bacon because it's a middle bacon that has the benefits of a shorter rasher. So you can see that it's short on this side, which means it's going to fit the pan perfectly. You can also see that there's a nice layer of fat here, and you need this because it's going to go lovely and crispy in the pan. Now, I'm going to say 3 pieces of bacon per person. A dry pan, so you don't need to add any oil to this because the fat is going to render. So I'll add 3 pieces of bacon. And I don't add any oil. You don't need the oil because when the fat starts to render from the bacon, it's going to become crispy and it won't stick at all. The slower you bring the heat up, the crispier the bacon is going to be. So I'm going to cook this for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. I like my bacon for my bacon butty to be really crispy. And the reason I want it to be crispy is because I want that contrast. Crispy, salty, smoky bacon and really soft buns. So a nice soft bun just like this is what we're looking for. I'm just going to grab a serrated knife and we'll prepare that by just cutting it in half, opening it up, and I'm just going to make one for myself. And I'm going to add some butter. Now, some of my English friends don't like to add butter. They just like to use the fat from the bacon. My other friends love to use soft butter and a little of the bacon fat with it. I'm going the latter because I love butter and I love bacon fat. All right, let's have a look at our bacon. Smells fantastic. Turn it over. That's what we're looking for. And you can see how the fat's almost dancing on top of the bacon. That's a good sign. And you want to make this à la minute, as we say in French, which means as soon as that bacon is cooked on that other side, it goes straight onto that soft roll because we want all that fat to sort of seep in to our beautiful rolls. All right, we'll give that just a little longer. And now we're just going to place that on top of each other, collecting all that bacon fat, and then we'll place it on the buttered side of the roll. Now for the sauce, I'm using HP sauce. This is an iconic sauce of England. It's a must. It's a combination of tamarind, there's different spices in it, malt, vinegar, tomatoes. I love the flavour and I think it is crucial for a bacon butty. A good glug of that on top. And then we're going to just sandwich it together. You've got to press it down. You know, this is so simple, but there's so much pleasure when it comes to simple things like this. I'm going to cut it in half, pop it on a very old school plate. And that, my friends, is the most beautiful sandwich. Look at that. You can see how the bacon's crispy, soft roll, and lots of HP sauce. You know what? Make this for someone you like. It takes 5 minutes to make. It's 4 ingredients, and it is so tasty. That is the perfect combination right there.